Missed it. I missed the tooth pulling. I missed the tooth pulling. That is right. I missed it. You did not see the tooth pulling. We'll go find the tooth. Let's go. On the run. Where's the tooth? Where's the tooth at? Where's the tooth at? Come on. Where's the tooth? Where's the tooth? You don't want to see blood. Where's the tooth? Where's the tooth at?
In that napkin, you didn't get to see me pull it out.
No, I missed it. Everybody missed the tooth pulling. Where's it hit? Let me see. Open it.
It's secured for the tooth fairy.
Where is it?
It's in here.
You gotta see it. The audience wants to see it.
That's enough.
We missed it. We missed Mom pulling tooth out.
Okay, Corey.
You missed. You missed.
Is it on? Mom, it's 1993. What? I shouldn't have said 1990. Oh, it's a new one? It's the year 2001. Timmy White is getting ready to snowboard, which is me. And Corey's just over there stacking wood. And Mom's video camera and me, and I'm getting ready.
Okay. Ready.
I just put my foot in that foot. It fell out.
Okay.
Oh my God! Ready, okay?
Okay. You need me to loosen it?
No. There we go. There, right there. Can't do it. Oh, no. Hit a bomb. No, Michael. Mom.
What?
What?
I can hear you.
I hit a rock.
Oh, okay.
I hit a rock.
So what happened?
I balance, but I hit a rock.
Okay.
And I fell. So that part is a bump, so I'll try.
Why don't you come over here? It might be smoother. That was pretty good.
Ryan has a snowboard too.
Does he?
Yeah. Almost got it.
You leaned back.
What?
You leaned back. You gotta keep her balance.
Here, I'll show you.
Okay, it's December the 29th, 2000. Timmy's sledding, and all the other kids are too. Got a snowboard for Christmas.
What?
I was telling the camera something. I was telling the I was talking to the camera. Last one, because my battery's about out. Alrighty, make it good. Okay. Pretty good. Wave bye. Wave bye. Well, okay. Keep your balance. Don't lean back.
I'll try. Ready?
Ready. Go for it.
I'm probably really bad.
Go for the goal. Lean forward. Lean forward. Woo, boy. Okay, good deal. What?
I hurt my butt.
Over here.
Okay.
It was right over there. And I hit a big, huge bump.
Yeah?
And I fell.
Oh.
Oh, my butt.
Tape over here.
Here we have the professional. Or so he says.
You do it, Corey. I don't want it. It's not mine. Yes, it is. Watch out.
Freezing out here.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to stop.
Okay.
Here's how you stop.
Cool. Hi.
Can you tape one video with me,
Sure.
please?
Yeah.
You can tape Corey while I'm getting ready to go up.
Okay.
I'm ready. Go!
Here I go. Empty.
He's going over the ramp.
Wait.
He's going over the ramp. Woo!
Didn't have a good start.
Okay, well, there's dangerous gases in there.
What?
There's dangerous gases in there. You can die. Tell me when you're ready, Corey. Ready? You did. Good. That's pretty good.
My last drink.
Timmy, what are you doing? That's great, Corey.
Huh?
That's good. You're- Wipe out. Okay, goodbye.